Your face is so creepy.
Ooh, wow. Nice rack.
My pickaxe?
What?
My pickaxe.
No, nice rack. Soccer field again?
Sure.
Do you know what I really don't like? When
What?
teachers like don't talk about something and it's on the homework. And it's like you just have no idea
Yeah.
what the... That's like,
So
what are
a
you
lot.
doing?
We're doing practice with like unit conversions, and there's like mega liters or something, and like picometers, and I've never even
Oh, that
heard of
stuff's
that.
easy.
Yeah, I
Megas
know. I
times
mean,
10 to the 8.
but I've never heard any that before.
Yeah.
Like I had to just Google it.
Yeah. That's alright. That's normal.
And there's one that was ML.
Well, there's a person
Like,
here going
yeah,
to the gas
they're both
station.
going to they're both going to like that side. There's someone in that place with you.
Yeah, I hear him.
Wait for me.
Okay.
I'm going there with you.
Sounds like they're above
Do you have
me.
a gun? I got a
Yeah.
trap.
They just walked in.
Where? Oh, they're fighting someone else. Is that you?
I got him.
I got a trap.
Place it somewhere. Kill this guy. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Did you kill
Oh,
him?
this guy? No,
Yeah.
he just... He's right here.
Oh. Can't have
This is
him.
fun.
Oops. I don't want that sniper.
I mean, there's a trap at a door over here. Be careful though, because I don't want his friend to just go off and kill one of them. Should we check out the gas station?
Hey, you want a guided missile for 300 brick?
I don't like using the guided missiles.
Here.
Oh.
Did you hear that?
Shield?
I have a big
What?
shield. I'm taking right now. I heard a guy outside.
Is he gonna chuck them? Should we just burst outside?
Let's get this chest. Hey, another big
I
shield.
put a trap. I put a trap
Oh yeah,
on
he's
the
right
right
outside.
Look out the window.
What else? Laggy.
Yeah, my right headphone is on. How did you get in there?
Oh wait, here. You just gotta jump like halfway up.
I hear him.
I'm going outside.
Wait, I'm shielding.
Wait, that's your trap, right?
Yeah. You got him?
No, I just wanted to bait him in.
Where is he? Oh, there he is.
Careful!
Ooh, what the heck?
Get in, get in, get in, get in,
One's
get in,
coming,
get
one's
in.
coming. Let the trap get him. Yes. The other one. Look behind you.
What?
All the safes are gone. There's a jewel up north of us, see?
I have a medkit. I have no
Should I use
bullets. Yeah. Why would I use it?
I don't
Boy,
know.
more bandages than...
What kind of bullets do you need? I don't have much shotgun
I have
bullets.
0. I need medium. Drum
I
gun.
have 90.
Got that. Submachine gun. I'll take that.
Here's assault rifle. How many? Is that good?
I guess.
No. I got 44 now.
I have 46. Okay.
Have any shields?
No. I just have bandages. I think the llamas that are blinking are the ones people are carrying.
I found a scar. Can I have
Can
those
you...
bullets? What kind of assault rifle do you have?
Drum gun.
Oh. I'm gonna go check the other places. My trap saved the day.
It really did.
I thought I was just gonna die there, and then I remembered.
I know, I was like, back up! You're getting lasered, and I was like, get out of there!
I thought there was just one guy there, so I thought we could just like, go out. They had a lot of materials. I found a big shit.
Nice.
Oh, gold scar.
You don't like the compact SMG?
I got one.
Okay. There's a llama on the bottom, or south of us.
Should we go towards it?
Where are the other ones? Just gone? Wait, there's one right next to that van.
What van?
The...
Oh. Yeah, but people are probably just fighting over it like crazy.
The one in Shifty's gone. I don't understand this game mode.
I think when people pick it up, you can see it for a bit, but then I think it'll go away.
Oh, it says on your compass where they are. But... what is the... why are some red and some white?
I think red is if someone picked him up.
Or
Where
what
are
if...
we going? Through Tilted?
No, let's go to the southeast. Oh yeah, they're carrying it in the southeast because you can run in a straight line and you can see it move.
Yeah.
Oh, I see people in Tilted.
You got materials?
Yeah.
Well, what is happening in Tilted?
Got a thermal scope.
Are we just going around?
Holy.
Whoa, people just died up here like crazy.
Yeah.
I'm going up on this hill. There's 2 people over here. I knocked one. His friend's on the hill.
He's got a sniper.
I got him.
Nice.
Gold scar's still kind of crazy. Did they have the jewel? No.
No.
They had so much stuff, holy crap. Small shields, you want them?
I just took a slurp.
Oh, that wasn't even another guy I killed.
Gold, double
Go
barrel?
get the other guys, like, ammo and stuff.
Where?
Up on the top. There's a purple scar, do you have one?
Yeah.
And the gold compact SMG.
We gotta find these llamas.
There's only 9 people left.
There's only
We
2
gotta get to a
vans.
car.
An enemy has completed a getaway.
There's only 1 left. We just go into the car or after the llama?
I don't know.
Wait, there's 2 still llamas. There's still 2 llamas.
There's people in the
out.
east.
I'm confused. I think more llamas are coming. Where?
I see people in the east, 98.
Oh, we gotta go quick, because if people get to that car, there's only 1 car left. Should we just go down?
Yeah.
I got bounce pads. Wanna use a bounce pad?
Oh, jeez. I'm so confused by this mode.
We gotta get to that car. They're about to get there, I think. Only 7 people. What if we just killed everyone else? People just are building up here. They're going after the car, I think.
Everyone's going after the car.
We just build up here too?
Yeah.
This is it.
Well, we don't even have a jewel.
We gotta kill someone.
Holy, what the heck? I'm a little behind you.
There's the getaway vehicle.
Oh, jeez.
Where are you? You up here with me?
Yeah.
Where are all the people? They're all fighting down there. Everyone's dying down there. We just gotta go shoot them.
Where?
Down here in the north. And I see the guy at the jewel.
I knocked a guy.
There's someone building up to me, I think.
Oh, jeez.
The guy with the jewel's down there.
Oh yeah, he's right there.
Where?
Are you shooting at this guy?
Oh.
You're okay, you're okay. He's real hurt.
Where? I don't think he's there.
Yeah, he is. 100%.
Yeah.
Nice.
The jewel. I got it. We're building up.
Where is it?
The car.
Come over here, come over here.
I'm building up over here.
Okay.
There's one guy left. Should we just kill the last guy?
No. What the heck?
I'm there. I'm at the car.
Go in, get in.
Yes, yes. We did it.
What the?
That was crazy.
I still don't understand this game mode at all.